One important element of a church database is attendance. So I want to show you how you can record attendance manually. There are a number of ways you can do this, but let's just show you how you could do it manually first. I'm going to click on this class over here under my involvement, couples class. I'm going to go to the meetings tab. And I click create new meeting. It's going to assume, based on the schedule, which is Sunday at 8 a.m., you want to create a meeting for the most recent meeting in the past. So if it's after Sunday, it will choose the previous Sunday, which is when, of course, you're going to record attendance after it's already happened. You don't need to bother with anything else on here if it's a normal organization that has a schedule and has only one schedule. If it has multiple schedules, you'll have to select the schedule. In this case, there's only one. I click OK, and the next page is going to be a list of all the members of the class. Right now, it says show attends. In order to record attendance, you need to do two things if you're doing this manually. Select show all and enable editing. So you just go through, you're looking at a roll sheet, and you select those who are in attendance. You just keep scrolling down and you mark everyone who is present. Notice that row turns yellow and then just fades away so that you can remember where you were. If you were doing this with a scanner, that would still highlight. You would just hear a beep from the scanner every time I scanned the barcode. That's all you do. You just keep going through and mark everyone who is there. Let me scroll up and let you see the attendance tracking over here on the right. Notice it has a count of how many are present, how many are members, and then if you had any guests, those would show there. If you were doing this with a scanner, a wand scanner, you would put your cursor right there and you would just scan the barcode beside every name and you would never move the mouse. You just use the scanner. And then when you get to the next class, you scan the long barcode and it takes you to that class and your cursor would be in the wand target there. So that's a very simple process as well. But this is how you do it manually. I've already shown you how to add a guest in the video, how to create a new people record. It's the same if you find someone in the database. Maybe it's you do a search. In this case, the person is in the database. You click the name. You can do another search if you want, or you can go ahead and commit and add. If you've got multiple visitors, you might want to go in and do them all at once. But you see down here at the bottom, there's George. He was already in the database, and I've added a guest. So now I have 16 members and one new guest. So that's how it is, how simple it is to take attendance for an organization.